So guys, in this video I'm sharing 3 new websites that are hiring remote contractors right now in 2026, and guys, these sites are less crowded than the big platforms, making it much easier for you to get in early. So guys, now the first platform right here on our list is simply called Uber AI Solutions, and guys, you can use your skills to earn anytime from anywhere. Find flexible online opportunities with Uber AI Solutions that match your experience. You pick what fits you, check out the pay upfront and start early. So guys, they have opportunities across fields and expertise. So you simply want to go through everything. So they have evaluate AI responses, translate and review content. You can also test product and features. You can also collect data samples and also label and annotate data. So guys, now your skills, your schedule platforms, you can put your expertise to use right there. You choose when to earn online. You connect with a trusted platform. So guys, this is how you simply get started. This is how it works. You sign up easily, you complete a skill check. After that, you choose what to do. You want to submit tasks and also earn reliably. So guys, this is simply amazing. So please make sure you see me right to the end of this video. Alright, the second website is simply called Tarmack.com, and guys, this is a bit more professional. They focus on human in the loop AI training, which means they hire people to help AI models make better decisions in real time. And what I like about Tarmack is that they operate in over 150 countries, including Nigeria, and they are known for having a very smooth AI-powered recruitment process. So guys, if you want to work for a platform that feels like a real career and not just a side hustle, this is the one to check out, Tarmack.com. So guys, please make sure you are liking this video and also subscribe if you are yet to. Alright, so guys, this is the platform, Tarmack.com. Of course, I'll be making another video on this, on how you can sign up and also get hired right here on Tarmack.com. The next one right here is simply called Aurora. So you want to go to Lionbridge.com. You can see right here. I will leave the link in the description of this video. So now guys, you can simply get access to loads of jobs on the Aurora.com. So guys, why join Aurora.com? So they have a whole lot of opportunities for you. So you can join our pride, work with linguistics and AI experts around the world. So you can see right here, this is what Aurora is all about. So join Lionbridge, where your impact matters. So at Lionbridge, we do meaningful work that empowers Fortune 100 companies and global industry leaders, and you will advance innovation, shape groundbreaking projects, and grow your career. So guys, you still want to get access to all the opportunities right here. So you have different opportunities. Of course, we're going to click on the opportunities to check it out. But these are the current job opportunities right here. So they have the corporate associates, so you can click to learn more. They have games right there, so you can also click to learn more. So I'll simply click on these opportunities to also check it out. So right there we have the available jobs, the available opportunities on Lionbridge. Alright, so now these are the open jobs right here. They have 62 they have 62 jobs right there. So guys, you can also search right here by location, by permit, experience, employee type, specialization, capability, job type, country, and so on. So right here we have enterprise sales, director AI, and they have test technician too. They have technical software test engineer. So guys, you can simply go through this. All right, so guys, this is what I have for you in this video. Please guys, like this video and also share with your friend out there. So guys, I appreciate you for sticking with me right to the end of this video. Of course guys, don't forget, I'll be making another video on how you can sign up on these platforms that I made mention in this video. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.